This is a cutout transition. How to make it? Let's discuss using the CapCut app. First, import all your videos into the CapCut editing project. Duplicate the second video clip. Move the duplicate to the overlay track. Trim its duration between 0.3 to 0.5 seconds. And place it near the first video. Next, still in the overlay clip, open the Remove Background menu. Select the Custom Removal option. Tap the Brush tool. Then brush it over one of the objects in the video. After that, open the Animations menu. Then use one of the Slide Up, Slide Down, Slide Right, and Slide Left effects. Then set the animation duration as well. Finally, open the Effects menu, tap Video Effects, then find the Shake effect. And select this one. Cut the length of the effect clip while placing it in the middle between the two video clips. Next, tap Adjust, then set the speed to 50 and the intensity to 35. Continue to open the Object menu, then apply the effect to all videos. After that, add another video effect. This time, find the effect called Diamond Zoom. Adjust the length and position the same as the first effect. Then also apply the effect to all objects. Done! Here are the results. Next, just repeat the steps above to create a cutout transition on other videos. Thank you for watching.